Hey everyone, it's Paola from WTI, and right here I have a beach wagon from Rangland. This is their Sand Warrior, and I love it so much. So I am a mom, and when I go to the beach, I am normally hauling so much gear. I am a pack mule. I really needed something to help me out, and this beach wagon has been a lifesaver. So I thought I was going to use it a lot for the beach. It turns out it is incredibly useful here at home as well. We have a big project going on in our backyard, and we figured out a way to use this as a work surface. Yes, it's mobile and it's sturdy. It has a steel frame so it can hold up to 220 pounds. It's not meant for children, but my kids did go in there, and this is sturdy. It's incredibly easy to maneuver with this handle, and I am surprised with these big tires how well it maneuvers. So these are 9-inch tires, they're 4 inches wide, so that makes it really easy for it to glide over the sand or any kind of terrain changes. Overall, I love this beach wagon. I think you're gonna get a lot of use out of it, but that's just my point of view.